Adding a contact form to your Canva website is simple, but requires the integration of third-party tools, as Canva itself doesn't have a built-in form builder. Follow these steps. Create your website in Canva. Log into your Canva account and go to the website section. Select a template or design your website from scratch. Choose a third-party form builder. Since Canva doesn't support direct form creation, use a third-party tool like Google Forms or JotForm. Google Forms. Create a contact form in Google Forms and customize it with the fields you want. JotForm. Create a contact form with JotForm and select the form that suits your needs. Embed the form. In Google Forms or JotForm, copy the embed code provided after creating your form. Go back to Canva, select the embed option on your website, and paste the form's HTML code. Adjust the size and placement of the embedded form. Publish your website. After embedding, click Publish on Canva to make your website live. Now, visitors can submit their information directly via the contact form.